Welcome to the definitive tour of the best compact and bookshelf speakers money can buy. Forget everything you thought you knew about small speakers, because today we're showcasing masterpieces of audio engineering that deliver performance previously reserved only for massive floor-standing systems. We're talking about precision instruments that disappear into the soundstage, revealing breathtaking detail, explosive dynamics, and holographic imaging. From the elite mid-range performers that redefine value to the six-figure state-of-the-art reference monitors, this is the quest for acoustic perfection in a compact footprint. Get ready to have your expectations shattered as we dive deep into the technologies that make these speakers legendary. Starting our ultimate speaker list with the SVS Ultra Evolution Bookshelf, a true technology tour de force that sets a new benchmark for accessible high-end sound. The design achieves stunning soundstage accuracy through a curved front baffle that ensures acoustically centered time alignment from all drivers. It features a 1-inch diamond-coated aluminum dome tweeter combined with an organic cell lattice diffuser, delivering airy, effortless highs and a remarkably wide listening sweet spot. The glass fiber composite midwoofer offers a neutral mid-range and controlled bass reinforced by a 2-inch port. The entire cabinet is engineered to be highly resistant to unwanted resonances, allowing the drivers to perform with exceptional clarity and seamless blending.
Next up, we have the legendary KEF LS50 Meta, built around the revolutionary 12th generation UniQ driver array, which now incorporates metamaterial absorption technology, or MAT. This highly complex maze-like structure is housed behind the vented aluminum dome tweeter to absorb 99% of the unwanted sound radiating from the rear of the driver. The result is a purer, more natural and transparent sound that is free from coloration. This exceptional acoustic accuracy, combined with an optimized cabinet design and a patented offset flexible port for reduced mid-range coloration, ensures an exceptionally deep, detailed, and immersive sound experience across any listening environment.
Now we have the Elac Solano 2.0, a German-engineered marvel distinguished by its proprietary Jet 6 air motion transformer tweeter, which utilizes a folded ribbon design to deliver high-definition sound with vanishingly low distortion. Complementing this is the aluminum sandwich woofer construction, a key component ensuring smooth frequency transitions and superior bass dynamics. This specialized construction minimizes unwanted resonances for clear and accurate sound reproduction. Furthermore, its downward-firing port design is a clever engineering solution that provides greater flexibility in speaker placement while effectively mitigating port noise and distortion.
Next up in the mid-tier lineup is the KEF LS50 Wireless II, which transforms the passive model into a complete high-performance active system. This all-in-one monitor features a dedicated internal amplifier for each driver, specifically 280 watts of Class D power for the mid-bass driver and 100 watts of Class AB for the tweeter, all managed by KEF's Music Integrity engine. It retains the UniQ driver with metamaterial absorption technology for exceptional sonic accuracy, eliminating high-frequency distortion. The system handles wired connections, but also supports high-resolution wireless streaming up to 24-bit 96 kHz, offering unparalleled convenience without compromising on rich, full-bodied sound. Its user-centered KEF Connect application allows for personalized tuning to suit the listener's room and tastes.
Moving on, we have the Vandersteen VLR CT, a design focused on achieving absolute time and phase integrity, a cornerstone of this American manufacturer's philosophy. This compact reference monitor utilizes coaxially mounted drivers that ensure all frequencies arrive at the listener's ear precisely aligned in time, delivering holographic imaging and unparalleled transient response. The use of advanced materials, including a 1-inch carbon tweeter and a mineral-filled polycone woofer, minimizes cone breakup and extends high-frequency performance with effortless detail. Its minimalist sealed box enclosure design is engineered to minimize diffraction and internal standing waves, resulting in a sound that is both musically natural and technically accurate, making it a favorite for audiophiles demanding purity. Next up, we have the JBL L82 Classic MKII, a two-way monitor that combines iconic vintage styling with thoroughly modern acoustic components. This speaker features a large 8-inch cast frame woofer with JBL's distinctive pure pulp white cone, responsible for delivering effortless dynamics and deep bass impact. High frequencies are handled by a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter mated to an acoustic lens and waveguide, ensuring high output and controlled dispersion. The front baffle includes a high-frequency level attenuator, allowing listeners to fine-tune the high-end output to suit their room acoustics and personal taste, delivering a powerful and engaging presentation. Its revised bi-wire, bi-amp capable crossover is a major upgrade.
Now we have the Harbeth P3ESR XD2, a compact monitor rooted in decades of British broadcast heritage. This model is prized for its breathtaking transparency, accurate bass, and dynamic integration across the audio spectrum, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of listening environments. It presents an easy 6-ohm electrical load to amplifiers, allowing it to pair effectively even with low-powered, high-quality electronics. The Harbeth Radial 4 cone technology and a completely redesigned crossover focus on minimal coloration, delivering a clean and clear tone, ensuring the speaker disappears, leaving only the music's natural ebb and flow.
Next up in the mid-tier lineup is the Spendor Classic 4.5, a small speaker with a legendary lineage tracing back to the revered British Broadcasting Corporation monitoring standards. This is a two-way sealed enclosure design which naturally prioritizes tight, controlled, and tuneful bass rather than sheer low-frequency extension, making it ideal for smaller listening environments. It uses a new generation of Spendor drive units featuring the proprietary 15cm EP77 polymer cone material. The resulting sound is renowned for its remarkable directness, transparency, and coherence, delivering music with an insightful and naturally refined presentation that speaks to its British audio heritage.
Moving on, we have the Sonus Faber Sonetto 2 G2, a sophisticated two-way system featuring technological refinements inspired by the brand's more exotic references. This model incorporates the proprietary Silk Dome Damped Apex Dome (DAD) tweeter technology, which improves high-frequency articulation and extension while reducing distortion. The woofer utilizes a cone made from a paper pulp sandwich structure and is enhanced with an aluminum demodulation ring to reduce distortion, known for its superb mid-range neutrality and warmth. Encased in Sonus Faber's lute-shaped cabinet with an integrated concrete base, which is engineered to minimize internal standing waves and cabinet resonance, the Sonetto 2 G2 provides an engaging, dynamic, and musically satisfying performance, upholding the Italian tradition of artisanal excellence. Next up, we have the Totem Acoustics Signature 1, a Canadian-designed monitor that stands out for its exceptional speed, dynamics, and ability to create a vast three-dimensional soundstage. This model utilizes 6.5-inch mineral-infused mid-bass drivers, combined with a custom-built, precision-engineered 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, all meticulously integrated via a sophisticated hand-wired crossover network. The cabinet is lock-mitered, veneered inside and out, and dampened with borosilicate, contributing to its extremely low resonance performance. This compact speaker is engineered to transcend its size, offering explosive transients and remarkable depth of bass that belies its small footprint. Finally, in this mid-range to high-end tier, we have the Dynaudio Special 40, a special edition monitor designed to showcase the company's 4 decades, 40 years, of driver innovation. It features the legendary 28mm Esitar 40 tweeter, a refined version of Dynaudio's finest soft dome tweeter, known for its effortless high-frequency delivery and precise dispersion. The 17cm mid/woofer employs the proprietary magnesium silicate polymer or MSP cone material, which ensures optimal rigidity and internal damping for accurate bass and mid-range reproduction. The speaker uses a first-order crossover topology at 2000 Hz, which is rare in modern design, ensuring excellent phase coherence and seamless driver integration for an exceptionally natural sound.
Starting our ultimate speaker list in the upper high end is the PMC Prodigy 1, a speaker that achieves remarkable clarity and bass depth that simply defies its modest size. This achievement is made possible by PMC's unique Advanced Transmission Line, or ATL, technology. The ATL is a lengthy internal labyrinthine chamber that is strategically vented and paired with laminaire technology, serving as an acoustic shock absorber for the 133mm 5.25-inch driver. This innovation effectively absorbs the unwanted backwave energy, thereby producing deeper, cleaner, and more extended bass than conventional sealed or ported designs. The Prodigy 1 is also intentionally designed to be an easy 6-zone electrical load, ensuring seamless synergy with a wide range of high-quality electronics.
Next up, we have the Sonus Faber Minima Amator II, a compact two-way system steeped in Italian craftsmanship and advanced acoustic technology. The speaker utilizes a 28mm silk dome tweeter featuring damped apex dome technology, or DAD, which ensures a remarkably clear and extended high-frequency reproduction. The 150mm 6-inch midwoofer, developed in-house, uses the famous cellulose pulp and natural fibers cone fitted on a die-cast aluminum basket, which is critical for revealing the smallest musical details and providing a natural sound. The system also employs the proprietary Paracross topology crossover design featuring clarity cap ESA capacitors to achieve the best possible dynamic range and highly defined musical detail. Now we have the Bowers & Wilkins 705S3 Signature, a stand-mount speaker that integrates technology optimized from the company's flagship 800 series Signature models. Its defining feature is the solid-body tweeter on top housing, a structure milled from a single block of aluminum, which holds the decoupled carbon dome high-frequency driver to reduce cabinet interference. The bass and mid-range duties are handled by a proprietary 165mm 6.5-inch continuum cone driver, celebrated for its open, neutral performance. This signature edition boasts an upgraded mid-bass motor system, improved Moondorf capacitors, and a more open tweeter grill mesh, further refining its already exceptional clarity and harmonic accuracy.
Next up in the upper high end is the JBL L100 Classic MKII, a larger three-way compact monitor that revives the powerful and dynamic sound of a studio legend. It features the large 12-inch cast-frame pure pulp cone woofer with dual spider, delivering authoritative, effortless bass response with impressive speed. The mid-range is handled by a 5.25-inch polymer-coated pure pulp cone, while the high frequencies are reproduced by a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter with an acoustic lens waveguide. These components, combined with an updated bi-wire bi-amp-capable crossover network, produce an energetic and highly enjoyable sound, capable of filling large spaces with engaging, true-to-life musical dynamics.
Moving on, let's take a look at the Burmester B10, a German compact monitor that was originally designed for professional near-field use in Dieter Burmester's private studio. This model is engineered to deliver a powerful, highly dynamic presentation with superb control, characteristic of the Burmester sound. It features a high-quality 170mm or 6.7-inch glass fiber cone base mid-range driver and a ring radiator tweeter, all integrated via a meticulously optimized crossover at 2300 Hz. The speaker's front baffle uses a massive 48mm sandwich construction for low resonance. It also includes an adjustable bass reflex port foam cylinder and a bass switch on the rear for room tuning, maintaining an easy 4-ohm electrical load for seamless integration with a wide array of high-end amplification, delivering an effortlessly authoritative and detailed musical experience.
Next up, we have the unique Boenicke W5 SE Plus, a minimalist monitor that achieves surprisingly deep bass for its tiny stature through innovative engineering. The design features a side-mounted 5-inch long-throw bass driver operating without a crossover, tuned to 50 Hz. It uses an 8cm electromechanical parallel spiral resonator for improved sonics on the widebander. In the SE Plus version, a combination of 8cm spiral and 2cm straight resonators are installed at both the 3-inch widebander and bass driver in parallel and series, along with proprietary acoustic phase linearization network. The internal wiring is orientation optimized and silk-wrapped stranded Litz hookup wiring, and the design includes a rear ambient tweeter contributing to an expansive and deeply textured soundstage.
Next up, we have the visually striking Vivid Audio Kaya S12, a two-way monitor that utilizes groundbreaking tapered tube technology derived from the flagship Gia series. The custom-designed long-throw 100mm C100L driver handles the bass and mid-range with precise articulation and uncolored transparency.
The key is the internal exponentially tapered tube-enhanced bass reflex, which is wrapped inside the enclosure to absorb unwanted driver resonance in all directions, delivering clean, fast bass despite the speaker's modest 12-liter volume. Highs are managed by the same tapered tube-loaded D26 tweeter found across the entire range, ensuring exceptional detail.
Now we have the ATC SCM20 ASL Pro Mark II, a professional-grade active monitor known for its unflinching accuracy and exceptional power handling. The core of this two-way design is ATC's proprietary 150mm superlinear mid-bass driver with a 75mm grafted soft dome, celebrated worldwide for its transparent, colorless reproduction of voices and instruments. As an active monitor, it includes optimized discrete MOSFET Class AB internal amplification, specifically 200 watts for bass and 50 watts for high frequencies, that perfectly matches the drivers, eliminating the guesswork of external component matching. This integrated approach allows the speaker to maintain superb clarity and dynamic stability even at high output levels, making it a reference tool for critical listeners.
Next up in the ultra-high end is the Raidho X-1.6, a Danish masterpiece distinguished by its proprietary planar magnetic ribbon tweeter and advanced driver technology. The tweeter utilizes an extremely low-mass 20mg foil membrane, allowing for lightning-fast transient response and an effortless area extension into the highest frequencies. The mid-bass driver employs a large 165mm 6.5-inch ceramic cone for an exceptional stiffness-to-mass ratio. This construction ensures pure piston behavior and vanishingly low distortion. The combination of these ultra-high performance drivers housed in a meticulously crafted, curve-free, rear-ported vented enclosure creates an astonishingly coherent soundstage with precise imaging and exceptional speed.
Moving on, we have the Paradigm Persona B, a high-performance Canadian monitor that leverages the superior performance of true extent pure beryllium driver technology. Both the tweeter and the 7-inch mid-bass driver use beryllium diaphragms, a material known for its extreme stiffness and low mass, which translates to vanishingly low distortion and remarkable transparency. The speaker also employs Paradigm's proprietary perforated phase aligning or PPA lens, which protects the drivers while acting as a phase plug to refine output. Housed in a rigid 7-layer HDF construction cabinet with extensive bracing, the Persona B delivers extraordinary clarity and dynamic range, setting a new standard for detail retrieval in a compact design.
Next up, we showcase the Rogers LS50 Classic, a larger monitor that faithfully recreates the acoustic properties of the iconic BBC broadcast monitor it is based upon. This design prioritizes the most critical frequency range, the human voice, and uses a meticulously engineered crossover with 18 dB per octave slopes and a 90mm thin-wall birch plywood cabinet to achieve pure, neutral tonal accuracy. The high frequencies are handled by a 34mm Audex dome tweeter, while a custom-designed 210mm polypropylene cone-base mid-range unit ensures coherence. The sound is renowned for its transparency, natural timbre, and ability to simply get out of the way of the music, providing an uncolored and authoritative listening experience.
Finally in this tier is the impressive Wharfedale Elysian II, a large stand-mount speaker that employs the Advanced Air Motion Transformer, or AMT tweeter. This 27mm by 90mm tweeter uses a large, pleated, lightweight diaphragm driven by strategic magnets, allowing it to move air with exceptional speed and accuracy. The three-way design includes a 150mm coated glass fiber matrix cone for the mid-range and a powerful 220mm woofer, with a slot-loaded profiled port, or SLPP, extending the low end. This configuration, combined with careful phase alignment, delivers fast transient response, high musical detail, and an authoritative low end without the harshness often associated with less refined high-frequency drivers.
Starting our ultimate speaker list in the reference category is the KEF Reference 1 Meta, which represents the pinnacle of compact speaker design, employing KEF's sophisticated UniQ driver array technology. This design centers the 25mm tweeter and 125mm mid-range driver within the same physical location, the 12th generation UniQ driver array, to achieve the acoustic ideal of a point source, where all frequencies radiate from one consistent point. Like its smaller siblings, it incorporates metamaterial absorption technology, enhancing high-frequency purity.
The speaker is a three-way bass reflex design, utilizing a substantial 165mm aluminum cone bass unit, ensuring that this compact monitor delivers an expansive full-range sound with profound low-frequency extension. Next up, we have the Bowers & Wilkins 805D4, featuring the defining diamond dome tweeter housed in the solid-body tweeter-on-top assembly milled from a single block of aluminum. This structure, with its longer tube loading system, reduces cabinet interference, allowing the tweeter to deliver crystalline clear high frequencies with superb extension. The bass and mid-range are handled by the proprietary 165mm continuum cone, which provides an open and neutral sound performance. The combination of the rigid diamond tweeter, the advanced continuum cone, and the matrix-brazed reverse-wrap cabinet with flow port ensures a remarkably low distortion, highly detailed, and dynamic sound that serves as a true reference monitor.
Now we have the Genelec 8361A SAM monitor, an exceptionally powerful three-way coaxial active monitor system designed for demanding professional and audiophile applications. This monitor is defined by its minimum diffraction coaxial driver and dual acoustically concealed woofers, extending constant directivity control down to the bass frequencies. The integrated smart active monitor technology utilizes the Genelec loudspeaker manager software to automatically calibrate the speaker's frequency response to its listening environment, ensuring remarkably accurate and uncolored sound reproduction. With 700 watts for bass, 150 watts for mid-range, and 150 watts for high frequencies of dedicated tri-amplified power and a die-cast aluminum enclosure, it delivers immense detail and a stunningly wide frequency response.
Next up is the Fine Audio F18, a two-way stand-mount speaker built around the company's signature IsoFlare coaxial driver. This innovative design positions the tweeter at the acoustic center of the mid-range count, ensuring true point source radiation for coherent wavefront delivery. The F1/8 also utilizes Fine's proprietary Basstrax Tractrix diffuser system, which features a Tractrix diffuser at the base of the cabinet, smoothly transferring bass energy uniformly into the room. This combination of technologies results in an incredibly stable and detailed stereo image, impressive dynamics, and a controlled, powerful bass response that is highly articulate. Moving on, we featured the Wilson Audio Tune Tot, an incredibly versatile monitor designed for placement where traditional high-end speakers cannot go without sacrificing acoustic integrity. The enclosure is constructed from a combination of Wilson's proprietary X and S materials, ensuring superior stiffness and vibration control down to the level of billionths of a meter. Its drivers, including a rear-vented doped paper pulp 5.75-inch woofer and a doped 1-inch silk fabric tweeter, are housed in a meticulously engineered cabinet with a slot-shaped rear vent. The Tune Tot maintains an astonishingly low noise floor, allowing it to reveal subtle microdynamics and texture, delivering the renowned Wilson sound in a compact, highly adaptable package. Next up is the YG Acoustics Tor, a two-way monitor that incorporates drivers machined from massive solid billets of aerospace aluminum using proprietary CNC machining techniques. This billet core technology results in 7.25-inch aluminum cone drivers with exceptional stiffness to mass ratios, ensuring perfect piston behavior and ultra-low distortion across the frequency spectrum. The Tor features YG's dual coherent crossover, which is optimized for both perfect frequency response and near-zero relative phase, allowing the speaker to deliver effortless realism and explosive dynamics. The sealed cabinet features a thick aluminum front baffle fitted into an inch-thick dense resin fiber enclosure with advanced bracing and acoustic absorbers, resulting in incredible pace, timing, and intimate detail, maintaining coherence from the quietest passages to concert volumes.
Now we introduce the Magico A1, featuring a sealed compact enclosure constructed from 3/8-inch thick 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum, complete with internal bracing to ensure extraordinary rigidity and freedom from unwanted mechanical resonance. The tweeter uses a pure 1.1-inch beryllium diaphragm with an optimized dome based on the platform of Magico's Reference M series, designed for ultra-low distortion and massive dynamic capabilities. The mid-bass driver features a 6.5-inch graphene nanotech cone and an oversized neodymium motor system. This combination of materials and obsessive engineering ensures benchmark acoustical standards for stability and rigidity.
Next up in the reference category is the Gauder Acoustic Berliner RC3 Mark III, a German-engineered compact monitor that incorporates advanced Accuton ceramic and diamond driver technology. This model utilizes a meticulously designed diamond tweeter for effortlessly extended and detailed high frequencies, paired with a ceramic driver for the mid-range and bass. The speaker is defined by its 60 decibel per octave symmetrical crossover filter, which minimizes driver overlap and phase distortion, ensuring unparalleled clarity and coherence. Housed in a rib construction (RC) cabinet with advanced resonance damping, the Berliner RC3 Mark III provides a lightning-fast transient response and an exceptionally wide, neutral soundstage.
Moving on, we have the Focal Sopra No1, a potent two-way bass reflex monitor that is a showcase of proprietary French-made driver technologies. The high-frequency driver is Focal's signature 27mm beryllium inverted dome tweeter, which employs infinite horn loading, or IHL, to manage the tweeter's backwave and ensure very precise, high-definition treble. The mid-bass woofer utilizes a 16.5cm W-sandwich cone with tuned mass damper suspension and a neutral inductance circuit, or NIC, magnetic motor. This intricate technological blend results in a loudspeaker celebrated for its refined mid-range, impeccably articulated bass, and dynamic power, performing like a much larger system.
Next up, we have the Franco-Serblin Accordo Goldberg, a beautifully crafted monitor that continues the founder's legacy of combining natural materials with cutting-edge acoustics. Housed in an exquisite, super-rigid, arc-shaped solid wood cabinet, the speaker is designed to be an instrument itself, minimizing resonance while maximizing aesthetic appeal. It utilizes a custom-designed 29mm silk dome tweeter by Ragnar Lien and a 180mm microsphere cone mid-bass driver with an aluminum dust cap that is meticulously integrated via a minimalist, low-order, phase-coherent crossover. The Accordo Goldberg delivers a sound defined by its rich timbre, exceptional harmonic complexity, and a profound musicality that makes every listening session emotionally engaging.
Next up, we have the Dutch & Dutch 8C, an innovative, fully integrated active monitoring system that fundamentally changes how a speaker interacts with a room. This system features powerful onboard DSP and amplification, allowing it to achieve a full-range, flat frequency response from 20 Hz up to 20 kHz without the need for external subwoofers. Its defining room-matching technology and constant directivity above 100 Hz minimize the harmful influence of room boundaries. By using DSP-driven control, the 8C, with its 500 watts for bass, 250 watts for mid-range, and 250 watts for high frequencies of dedicated tri-amplified power, sounds optimal when placed close to a wall, allowing the speaker to disappear acoustically and provide transparent, accurate music reproduction.
Next up is the Kii THREE System, another revolutionary active monitor built around the concept of cardioid dispersion. It houses a total of 6 drivers, 4 6.5-inch woofers, a 5-inch mid-range, and a 1-inch wave-guided tweeter, each with its own dedicated 250-watt Class D amplifier, all controlled by a powerful 40-bit DSP engine. The active wave focusing technology uses the DSP to direct the sound, ensuring that the majority of acoustic energy is focused forward while minimizing reflections from the side and rear walls. The result is exceptional depth, clarity, and stereo image consistency across the entire listening space, with bass that extends down to 20 Hz.
Next up, we feature the Technical Audio Devices TAD Microwave Evolution 1 TX, or ME1 TX, a 3-way bass reflex system that sets itself apart with its concentric coherent source transducer CST driver. This coaxial driver controls the phase and directivity across a vast frequency range, resulting in an ideal single-point source sound. The ME1 TX's impressive frequency response extends from 36 Hz up to 60 kHz. The CST utilizes a 25mm beryllium tweeter diaphragm and a concentric 9cm magnesium mid-range cone, ensuring near-perfect piston behavior and unparalleled sound accuracy. The woofer uses a 16cm multi-layered armored composite cone, or MACC, and a bidirectional aerodynamic slot port system, ensuring superb bass performance.
Next up is the Wimberg AMEA D, a German monitor that leverages the ultimate in driver technology from Acouton. This two-way speaker features a 30mm diamond tweeter for pure, effortless high-frequency reproduction and a 173mm ceramic mid-bass driver for exceptional neutrality and transient speed. Housed in a meticulously crafted low-resonance cabinet with one 220mm rear-firing passive radiator, the AMEA D employs a sophisticated crossover network using exclusive Mundorf and Dulin components for seamless integration. The resulting sound is defined by its transient speed, incredible clarity, and ability to reproduce the finest musical textures with clinical accuracy and zero fatigue.
Now we have the Yamaha NS-5000, a three-way bookshelf design that honors its legendary predecessors while incorporating completely new driver technology. All three drivers feature a diaphragm made from 100% Xylon, a synthetic fiber with acoustic velocity comparable to beryllium, and are vapor-coated with monoalloy for unified tonal color. The drive units consist of a 30cm 12-inch woofer, an 8cm 3.25-inch mid-range dome, and a 3cm 1.25-inch tweeter dome. To eliminate internal resonance and coloration, the mid-range and tweeter domes incorporate proprietary resonance suppression chambers, and the cabinet uses acoustic absorbers and a twisted flare port, which eliminate the need for sound damping materials that might otherwise suppress the original dynamism of the music.
Next up in the reference category is the Stenheim Alumine Two SE, a Swiss-made two-way monitor built entirely around a meticulously machined aluminum enclosure. This use of 10 to 15 mm thick metal ensures extreme cabinet rigidity and acoustic inertness, virtually eliminating resonance and coloration. The high-sensitivity 93 decibel design allows it to be driven effectively by a wide range of amplification, including lower-powered Class A or tube amplifiers. Utilizing a 16.5 cm cellulose fiber cone woofer and a cost no-object crossover, the Alumine 2 SE delivers a fast, transparent, and rhythmically engaging sound with superb microdynamic detail.
Moving on, we have the Dali Epicor 3, which is presented here as a compact tower-like monitor that leverages the brand's signature Evoke hybrid tweeter module. This module combines a 35mm soft dome tweeter with an ultra-thin planar magnetostatic ribbon element, ensuring exceptionally wide and uniform high-frequency dispersion and effortless airiness. The three-way architecture uses a 7-inch base mid-range driver with Dali's proprietary wood fiber cone and SMC Generation 2 technology, which minimizes mass and maximizes structural rigidity for accurate bass and mid-range. The result is a musically engaging, low-loss design that provides stunning coherence and dynamic freedom, making music reproduction feel utterly organic and natural.
Next up is the Spendor Classic 100 Ti, a massive three-way monitor representing the highest evolution of the BBC design principle. This large speaker delivers the classic Spendor virtues of naturalness, coherence, and timbral accuracy, but with extended low-frequency weight and scale. It features a large 31cm Kevlar composite bass driver, a proprietary 18cm EP77 polymer cone mid-range, and a 22mm polyamide dome tweeter housed in a meticulously damped, twin-port reflex-loaded cabinet. The Classic 100 Ti is capable of reproducing complex orchestral and rock music with effortless dynamic swing and realism while retaining the essential transparency of a small monitor.
Next up, we have the Acora Acoustics QRB, a Canadian-made monitor defined by its exceptional enclosure material, an extremely rigid acoustically inert quartz stone. This massive cabinet material, built from 2cm solid slabs, nearly eliminates any contribution of the enclosure to the sound, providing a virtually silent background for the drivers to operate against. Utilizing a 1-inch beryllium dome tweeter and a 5.5-inch sandwich paper cone mid-bass driver, the QRB delivers phenomenal clarity, transient speed, and bass articulation. The result is an incredibly transparent and realistic soundstage where the speakers truly vanish into the acoustic space, leaving only the music.
Next up, we have the Sonus Faber Guarneri G5, a masterpiece of Italian artisanal and acoustic engineering, recognizable by its iconic lute-shaped cabinet crafted from wood. This two-way system features a 28mm silk dome tweeter with damped apex dome or DAD technology and a proprietary 150mm cellulose pulp cone mid-woofer with a neodymium magnet system. The cabinet employs Sonus Faber's Stealth Ultraflex system, a cleverly managed bass reflex port that provides extended yet controlled low-frequency performance. The Guarneri G5 delivers an intimate, highly detailed, and emotionally rich sonic signature that is utterly engaging.
Now we have the Harbeth M40.5 XD2, a large reference monitor that serves as the ultimate expression of the BBC school of loudspeaker design. This speaker is engineered for neutrality and transparency, featuring a 750mm high enclosure and high excursion drivers, including the legendary 200mm Radio 4 mid-range unit and a 300mm bass unit. Its design is optimized for critical listening and free space placement, offering superb tonal balance, incredible depth, and a seamless integration of frequencies. The result is a sound that possesses astonishing scale and realism, capable of reproducing complex musical scores with absolute fidelity and breathtaking dynamic range. Next up is the Focal Diablo Utopia Color Evo, a compact statement speaker that utilizes the ultimate version of Focal's beryllium inverted dome tweeter. This model is engineered for extreme resolution and dynamics, employing the proprietary PowerFlower LDC magnet technology for immense control over the 16.5cm mid-bass driver. The high-frequency driver is Focal's signature 27mm beryllium inverted dome tweeter, which employs IAL2 infinite acoustic loading second generation to manage the tweeter's back wave and ensure very precise high-definition treble. The mid-bass woofer utilizes a 16.5cm W sandwich cone with tuned mass damper suspension and a neutral inductance circuit or NIC magnetic motor. The cabinet features complex internal structures and a highly stable enclosure design to eliminate unwanted vibration and internal resonance. The Diablo Utopia delivers an explosively dynamic yet highly refined sound that is characterized by its crystalline detail and massive soundstage.
Starting our ultra-high-end category with the QLN Signature, a Swedish-designed two-way monitor meticulously engineered for perfect time alignment and phase coherence. This design principle is paramount, ensuring that the acoustic centers of the drivers are aligned in space, resulting in a soundstage that is remarkably coherent and lifelike. The Signature uses high-quality, customized drivers, including a 7-inch Kevlar midwoofer and a constant impedance crossover with only a few select components. The cabinet is fully constructed from Q-board multi-layer damping technology, ensuring that the resulting sound is characterized by its natural rhythm and timing, incredible transparency, and a deeply textured three-dimensional acoustic image.
Next up, we have the Abbott HiFi Reference 4, a high-end British monitor that follows the company's philosophy of ultimate rigidity and precision engineering. The enclosure is constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum plate, meticulously damped and braced to be virtually resonance-free using tuned mass technology TMT damper. It features high-quality drivers, including a custom 28mm soft dome tweeter and a powerful 160mm mid-bass unit with a titanium voice coil former, integrated via a precisely tuned 2.5-way second-order crossover. The Reference 4 delivers a highly focused, accurate, and dynamic presentation, serving as a transparent window into the recording.
Now we have the Dynaudio Confidence 20A, an advanced active monitor that integrates sophisticated DSP and dedicated amplification into its sleek cabinet. This two-way design features the new 28mm SOTAR 3 soft dome tweeter, which incorporates the Hexus inner dome to optimize airflow and minimize internal resonance. The mid/bass driver is an 18cm Neotech MSP woofer. It features dedicated internal amplification, 400 watts for the woofer and 150 watts for the tweeter. This active circuitry allows for incredibly precise time and phase alignment of the drivers, delivering a highly coherent, dynamic, and room-optimized performance. The result is a neutral, open, and authoritative sound that stands among the most technologically advanced compact monitors available.
Next up in the ultra-high end is the engineering marvel that is the MBL Radialstrahler 120, which operates on the proprietary principle of omnidirectional radiation, a stark departure from conventional forward-firing designs. The mid-range and tweeter drivers utilize a unique, radially radiating mechanism comprised of vertical lamellae. These are the MBL MT50 mid-range and HT37 tweeter units, both constructed from carbon fiber, allowing them to disperse sound completely around the room. The low frequencies are managed by dual 6.5-inch aluminum woofers mounted on the sides of the cabinet that are mechanically braced together in a push-push configuration, canceling out recoil forces and sparing the housing from mechanical vibrations. This design creates a sound field that is controlled, tight, and refined, providing an expansive soundstage that is consistent regardless of listener position.
Progressing into the pinnacle of high-end audio, we arrive at another banger that is the Raidho TD1.2, a two-way monitor that utilizes a newly developed mid-woofer featuring a unique 5-layer tantalum and diamond cone. This cone material boasts an increased level of inner damping, paired with a proprietary edge-wound titanium voice coil and an extremely powerful 1.1 Tesla underhung magnetic motor system.
The TD1.2 also incorporates a redesigned proprietary planar magnetic ribbon tweeter, which utilizes a more powerful magnet and an optimized acoustic shape of the rear chamber, resulting in a 35 decibel reduction in distortion compared to previous models. This technology delivers an audible increase in dynamic performance and remarkably high resolution.
Next up, we feature the Martin Parker Duo Diamond Edition, a two-way monitor that achieves benchmark performance through its use of diamond and ceramic driver materials. This model features a 1-inch pure diamond tweeter, which is housed in a decoupled assembly atop the cabinet, providing effortless high-frequency extension and low distortion. The 7.5-inch ceramic bass/mid-range driver is augmented by a large 9-inch aluminum passive radiator on the back, enabling surprising bass extension and impact. The speaker features high-grade copper foil capacitors and copper foil inductors in its crossover, ensuring a transparent signal path for dynamic and highly resolved sound.
Next up, we have the Croma Atelier Julieta, an exclusive Spanish compact loudspeaker that stands out for its unique cabinet material, a proprietary high-density cryon composite stone. This non-resonant material provides exceptional mechanical stability, creating a virtually silent enclosure that allows the drivers to operate without interference. The Julieta utilizes ultra-high-quality drivers, including a 6.5-inch paper fiber mix midwoofer and an AMT neodymium ribbon tweeter, meticulously integrated with a minimalist crossover network featuring Duland, Mundorf, and NOS components. The resulting sound is defined by its transient speed, incredible clarity, and ability to reproduce the finest musical textures with clinical accuracy and zero fatigue.
Following in the ultra-high-end collection is the Wilson Benesch Endeavor 3.0, a truly exotic compact loudspeaker incorporating advanced ACT 3.0 biocomposite materials into its enclosure design. The cabinet is a sophisticated monocoque structure, providing exceptional strength and damping while keeping mass low. This 2.5-way design features a Fibonacci silk carbon hybrid tweeter, a 7-inch Tactic 3.0 mid-range driver, directly amplifier coupled, and an isobaric drive system consisting of two 7-inch Tactic 3.0 woofers in a clamshell configuration. This combination of exotic materials and cutting-edge engineering results in a speaker with vanishingly low noise floor, superb resolution, and explosive dynamics.
Moving on, we feature the striking Estelon XC Diamond Mark II, a two-way passive loudspeaker with a bass reflex design. It is housed in a unique sculpted cabinet cast from a marble-based composite material. This inert composite ensures minimal cabinet resonance, which is crucial for maximizing clarity. It features an Acouton-sourced driver complement, including 258mm 7-inch ceramic midwoofers and a 25mm 1-inch Acouton diamond inverted dome tweeter. The internal wiring uses Kubala Sosna pure copper. This combination allows the XC Diamond Mark II to achieve a wide frequency response of 45 Hz to 60,000 Hz, delivering exceptional detail and speed.
Next up, we have the Goldmund Milos Active Wireless, a cutting-edge Swiss monitor that represents the ultimate fusion of acoustic excellence and modern convenience. As an active wireless system, it incorporates proprietary digital signal processing (DSP), powered by dual 175-watt Telos amplifiers for a total of 350 watts per speaker, 175 watts for the tweeter, and 175 watts for the woofer. The Melos utilizes Goldmund's Halize DA converter circuit and Proteus LS software with Leonardo time correction to digitally realign the signal frequencies in time, ensuring perfect phase. The speaker offers state-of-the-art performance with the simplicity of an all-in-one system, ensuring perfect sonic integration in any environment.
The next masterpiece in the ultra-high-end class, we feature the Technical Audio Devices or TAD Compact Reference 1TX or CR1TX, a three-way passive loudspeaker that sets itself apart with its concentric coherent source transducer or CST driver. This coaxial driver controls the phase and directivity over a wide frequency range, resulting in an ideal single-point source sound. The 16cm beryllium mid-range cone and the 3.5cm beryllium tweeter dome are both crafted from beryllium, a material revered for its lightness and rigidity, allowing diaphragm resonance to be pushed far beyond the driver's operating band.
The dedicated 20-centimeter woofer features a tri-laminate composite cone, or TLCC, to deliver powerful and accurate low frequencies. The entire assembly is housed in a structurally inert laminated enclosure technology, or SILENT enclosure, which benefits from specialized woodworking artisanship to ensure a sturdy, vibration-damping structure.
Finally, we showcase the ultimate expression of compact monitor design, the Børresen M1 from Audio Group Denmark. This speaker incorporates a proprietary 4-layer aramid honeycomb and spread-toe carbon fiber membrane, featuring a titanium skin coated with a multi-layered, performance-optimizing Ansu's Supreme coating. This coating, applied using a high-PIMS machine, includes layers of zirconium, tungsten, and aluminum chrome nitride, which significantly purifies the sound quality. Furthermore, the M1 integrates built-in Ansu's Dark Z2S resonance control decouplers, designed to absorb non-signal-related vibrations and provide superior mechanical grounding, resulting in a natural, authentic, and impeccably detailed sonic presentation.
And there you have it, the world's finest compact and bookshelf loudspeakers, each a testament to human ingenuity and the endless pursuit of sonic truth. From handcrafted cabinets and precision drivers to crossovers tuned like musical instruments, every one of these speakers represents a different vision of perfection. So here's the question: if money were no problem, which of these masterpieces would you bring home? Would you chase the reference-grade precision of a studio legend or the warm, emotional magic of a handcrafted marvel? Drop your dream choice in the comments below, and let's see which speaker truly captures the heart of the audiophile world.
Thank you for watching. You can discover more about these excellent products with the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.